Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY hair growth recipe that will help control hair loss, promote healthier and stronger hair. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So if you guys watched my previous video, I did a DIY hair rinse using parsley, thyme, and bay leaves. So I decided to make a hair oil out of it as well. So if you guys haven't watched that video, I'll leave it linked in the cards above. Also, I'll go ahead and leave all the benefits to each ingredient down in the description box as well. So all I'm going to do is just take these ingredients. I have a 1/4 cup of thyme, I have a cup of bay leaves, and then I also have a 1/4 cup of parsley. And I'm just going to take all these ingredients and place them into a mason jar. So now I'm just going to add a cup of avocado oil. You can choose any carrier oil that you would like. And then I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of olive oil. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. As a hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.